Hi guys, good evening. I hope you guys are doing. Welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Empty. So today I'm up with a new video with you all sharing about 2023 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS. In a media roundtable, Andres Preunigner, head of Porsche GT vehicles, said, "We want to party with this car, celebrate this engine horsepower and RPMs before some distant day when it goes electric. Porsche's 718 line will go all in electric at some in the future, as it did by Mission R race car concept. So Porsche's GT division decided to develop the ultimate internal combustion Cayman while it still had the opportunity. The 718 Cayman GT4 RS produces around 493 horsepower and 331 pound-feet. Talking about its compared to its GT3, 502 horsepower and 346 pound-feet for the 911 GT3. However, this engine is not detuned. The modest drop, according to Preunigner, is attributed to the requirement for the longer exhaust prizes. In addition to the inlets behind the door, the Cayman now breathes through carbon fiber inlets that replace the Cayman's traditional rear quarter windows. The upper intakes flow through the cabin and into a massive airbox that sits where a typical Cayman parcel shelf would be. The car is expected to quite loud on the interior, according to the reliable sources. When designing the version that would go into the 992 generation GT3, Porsche chose to develop a new tank for the dry-sump oiling system that made it Cayman compatible. Everything else is identical to the GT3, including the separate throttle bodies and inflexible finger follower valve tray. Being an RS car, there's far more than just engine and transmission tweaks here. The suspension has been heavily reworked with stiffer springs, new faster reacting adaptive Blistone dampers, and spherical ball joints replacing all rubber bushings. Blisters dampers, which is actually additionally there's a greater range of camber and toe adjustment, so you can really tailor the handling to your preference. The front track width is slightly wider thanks to the new fenders, while rear track width are the same as the GT4. Ultra sticky Michelin Pilot Sports Cup, that is 2R tires, which were fit to set a barnstorming 7:04.5 around the Nürburgring notch shelf, are available as an option. The brakes are largely similar to what's available with the current GT3, with steel rotors as standard and a carbon ceramics as an option. Aero has been heavily revised here, with the GT4 RS capable of 25% more downforce than the GT4 when everything is set to maximum attack. The wing is much larger and gets GT3 swan neck mounts to help clean up the airflow underneath. The front splitter is bigger, too, with the vines on the side ahead of the wheels. There's an adjustable front diffuser which must be adjusted in the concert with the wing to maintain an aero balance, and vents around above the front wheels, and our RS signature since the 991.1 GT3 RS of 2015. Remarkably, Preunigner says all this extra downforce doesn't come at the expense of the drag. A razor-sharp track tool, a highly agile mid-engine concept with a 4.0-liter displacement and a 6-cylindrical naturally aspirated engine. Thank you guys for listening up my video. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. Do not forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and have